Good morning. Today we're going to learn about matter. What's the matter, or what is matter? Matter is everything that has mass and takes up space. Let's pretend that we're scientists. Let's take our eyes and look all around the room, and let's see if we can see what objects are matter. Why don't we go over the things that make up matter, or what is matter? Let's take a look around the room. What in this room would you think could be considered matter? Well, I have here some examples of matter. Steam is considered matter, milk is considered matter, and so is wood. Though they all may look very different to you, they all are considered to be forms of matter. Now that we've went over some examples of what is matter, can you also think of something that you may consider not to be matter? Some examples of things that are not matter are sounds, heat or temperature, thoughts that we have, or emotions that we may have. All right, class, now that we have went over what matter is, we're going to take a look at this picture. I know I've showed you this picture before, but when you look at this picture, we're going to be scientists and we're going to observe the different properties of matter. A property is something that describes how an object looks, feels, or acts. People describe objects in many ways using size, shape, colors, and textures. Think about some of the familiar objects that are around you. How can you describe them if you didn't know what they were? Matter can be categorized in 3 special ways, and today we're going to learn about the 3 states of matter. And the state of matter of this picture that we're going to learn about is liquid. What is a liquid? Liquid is one of the first states of matter that we're going to go over today. We've already decided that milk is liquid. What else can we consider to be a liquid? Water is also a liquid, and so is oil. Some of the characteristics of a liquid are it's not rigid, there's no fixed shape, or no fixed volume. What is a solid? Well, we already went over today that wood is a solid. Some of the characteristics of a solid are it has a fixed shape, a fixed volume, and it's rigid, so it can't be squashed. What is a gas? We've already seen today, this picture uses an example of a state of matter. State of matter, which is gas. Steam is a form of gas. The characteristics of gas are they have no fixed shape, no fixed volumes, and they are not rigid. Okay, now we're going to recap. Some of the characteristics of a liquid are it's not rigid, there's no fixed shape, and no fixed volume. Some characteristics of a solid has a fixed shape, a fixed volume, and it's rigid, it can't be squashed. Some characteristics of a gas are there's no fixed shape, no fixed volume, and it is not rigid. That's it for today. I just want to say thank you. You have been wonderful, and I hope you enjoyed your lesson.